Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Ayşegül Songur. Welcome to our course, Public Relations and Communications in Hospitality and Tourism, with a special emphasis on the role of public relations activities in crisis management. In this course, we will be looking into the needs of different public relations audiences, public relations as part of an integrated communication strategy, public relations as a vital tool in managing different types of crisis events in the context of hospitality and tourism organizations. Let me start out by the Public Relations Society of America's definition. Public relations is a strategic communication process that builds mutually beneficial relationships between organizations and their publics. According to Groening, a prominent scholar in public relations, the gold standard in public relations is two-way symmetrical communication, which is communicating back and forth with audiences. We see that the relations component in public relations is emphasized in these definitions. So public relations means listening and responding to stakeholders' comments, concerns, questions, and suggestions, not just by pushing out promotional messages as advertisers, marketers, and promoters often do. In these definitions, publics and stakeholders mean not just customers and clients, but each and every entity that the organizations are interacting with in their day-to-day operations. Public relations emerges as the way companies communicate with their target audiences and stakeholders from within the society at large in which they operate. Public relations is essential for any business to be successful in this day and age, when traditional media channels coexist along with new media channels in the form of social media platforms, apps, and various websites. Along the same line, we see that the role of public relations in hospitality and tourism is multifold. So, in the context of tourism and hospitality organizations, public relations works towards creating awareness about any given destination or a hospitality organization, whether it be a hotel, a restaurant, or a theme park, and its offerings, in order to generate interest, convey a favorable image, and spread good word of mouth, raise their profile, create goodwill, enhance their prestige, create a buzz around their newly released or newly launched offerings for the sake of promoting sales to ensure profitable operations for years to come. Public relations professionals can help a destination to build its reputation by establishing a favorable image for the destination through publications, events, and advertising. Hospitality and tourism public relations includes promoting events such as fairs and festivals, community events, cultural and sports events taking place in the destination or at the hospitality establishment in question. To achieve these goals, hospitality and tourism organizations should be adopting a holistic approach by integrating their marketing activities with other stakeholders in their community at large. In other words, they should be resorting to integrated marketing communication to effectively use both the traditional TV, radio, print media, meaning newspapers and magazines, and new media channels, which are simply the byproducts of information and communication technologies induced by the advent of the internet. This course combines theoretical perspectives and practical examples in discussing the importance of public relations as a function of tourism and hospitality organizations, and it helps us to examine the characteristics and needs of different public relations audiences and contexts. Our course also focuses on crisis management planning, from prevention and preparation to response and recovery in relation to different types of crisis events, highlighting the vital role of public relations in successfully managing communications before, during, and after a crisis. In this day and age, public relations stands as an essential business function, given the ubiquitous nature of the media channels and social media platforms that we are surrounded with, where our stakeholders, existing clientele, and prospective clients can be communicated back and forth 24/7. By taking this course, Public Relations and Communications in Hospitality and Tourism, our students will develop the necessary skills and acumen needed to cater to the public relations needs of hospitality and tourism organizations.